Hi guys, welcome back again. Today we want to find the value of x, given that you have x multiplied by open bracket x plus 2 close bracket multiplied by open bracket x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 6 equals 9. So guys, let's have it to the solution. So from here we have x. Let's take this together, x, then multiply by x plus 6. Then let's take this together as x plus 2, then multiply by x plus 4. Then x plus 4 equals 9. So from here, guys, when you open this, we have this to be x squared, x times x squared, x times this, we have it to be plus 6x. Then this will give us x squared, x times this, we have it to be 4x. This will give us 2x. Then we have this one plus 8 to be equals 9. So from here we have this to be equals x squared plus 6x. Then we have this one to be x squared. This plus this will give us plus 6x plus 8 to be equals 9. So now guys, from here we have this and this to be common. So we can say let u to be equals x squared plus 6x. If u equals this, now from the above, we can easily have it to be u into u plus 8, then equals 9. So when we open the bracket, we have it to be u squared plus 8u, then equals 9. And obviously, so from here we can now have this to be u squared plus 8u minus 9 to be equals 0. This is a quadratic, and we can solve it by using quadratic method or factorization method. Now from here we can have this as u squared. This we can have it to be plus 9u minus u will give us back 8u. Then we have our minus 9 here. Then we have everything to equal 0. So from here we have what is common between this and this. So we have it to be u into this divided by this, we have u. This divided by this, we have it to be plus 9. Now what is common between this is minus 1 into u plus 9. Then we have everything to be equals 0. So guys, from here we have u plus 9, u plus 9. So we can factor it out to be u plus 9. Then the whole of this divided by this, we have it to be u. The whole of this divided by this, we have it to be minus 1. Then we have everything to be equals 0. So from here is either we have u plus 9 equals 0, or we have u minus 1 equals 0. And clearly from here, when you have u to be equals minus 9, then let us recall that we have our u to be equals x squared plus 6. So we can have it here back as x squared plus 6x equals minus 9. And we have, by taking it here, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9 to be equals 0. And when you take a look at this quadratic expression, it's the same thing as when you have x plus 3 all square, then we have everything to be equals 0. Now, by taking the square root of both sides, we have square root of x plus 3 all square, then the square root of 0. This will easily take away this. So we have our x plus 3 to be equal 0. then we have our x to be equals minus 3. This is the first real solution. Now likewise from here, we have u minus 1 to be equals 0. Then we can have our u to be equals 1. By recalling from here, we have x squared plus 6 equals u. Then we are going to have from here as x squared plus 6x to be equals 1. And easy that we can have here to be x squared plus 6x minus 1 to be equals 0. Now let us use general formula of quadratic as s will be equals minus b, then positive or negative. Then we have square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we have from here x to be equals, our b equals 6, so we have here to be minus 6, then positive or negative, square root of 6 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, 1, then multiplied by c, minus 1, the whole divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Then from here we have our s to be equals minus 6 positive or negative, square root of 6 squared will give us 36. Then this one will be plus 4 divided by 2. So we have this to be x equals minus 6 positive or negative, square root of 40 divided by 2. So we have our s to be equals minus 6 plus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 10 divided by 2. So we have this to be equals minus 6 positive or negative, square root of 4 will give us 2, then root 10, then we divide 2 by 2, this by 2, then we have the value of x to be equals minus 3, then positive or negative root 10. This is another second real solution. So therefore we can have, so now we can now have the value of x, x1 to be equals from here to be equals minus 3. Then our s2 from here will be equals minus 3 plus root 10. Then s3 to be equals minus 3 minus root 10. Then we have these three real solutions. Now to check, we have to recall we have x into x plus 2, again x plus 4, again x plus 6, then equals 9. When x equals 3, we test for just only one real solution. When x equals minus 3, we have here to be minus 3, then minus 3 plus 2. Here will be minus 3 plus 4. Here will be minus 3 plus 6. Then are they going to give us 9? So we have here to be minus 3. Here and this one and this will give us minus 1. This and this will give us 1. This and this will give us 3. Then are they going to give us 9? So from here, minus times minus will be plus. 3 times 1 will be 3. Times this 1 times 3. Then are they going to give us 9? So from here, we have everything to be equals 3 times 3, we have it to be 9 equals 9. So this is true for the value of x equals minus 3. So if you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye bye.